Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be working on a 94 Chevy again, and we're going to be replacing this kind of dated and needing to be replaced brake light or cargo light, just depends on who you ask. Yeah, alrighty, let's get started. And before we actually got started, I wanted to show you guys what it actually is I'm doing. I'm going to be replacing it with these blacked out lights. Alrighty, let's actually get started this time. And there you have it. It's fully installed and it blends in really well with the truck. Alrighty, well that's it for this video. Remember to like and subscribe and take care. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.